Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Are you a Catholic mom and you go to bed on Sunday feeling some sort of dread or anxiousness or tension? How can you set up your Monday morning to win the week? So recently I was describing this in my business, where I don't have any appointments until 11. And so when I am hanging out with my family on Sunday, I'm so calm because I know that Monday morning, I'm going to have this amount of time to think about my week and to go into it slowly. I'm not going to start with my hair on fire and back-to-back appointments, right? I used to schedule things as early as 8 a.m. on Mondays, and then it would weigh on me. And I think it was Alex Hormozy who was like, don't do that. No appointments Monday. For him, it was noon, but we teach a standing class in Masters at 11. So that's fine for me. And I was explaining this to my friend because I really just looked really calm Sunday evening and I felt really present. We had some people over for dinner and I felt really present and I wasn't even worried about my Monday morning. And it got me thinking, how can stay-at-home moms do the same thing? Now, it's a little bit trickier, obviously, because your job is to wake up and feed the kids and get the day going. But I was thinking, how could you even have a special ritual on Monday mornings that you look forward to or that eases you into the week? Because I think before, when I wasn't working and I was just homeschooling the kids, I would start Monday morning with like school energy. Like, okay, let's get going and we're going to stay on top of the laundry and we're going to, right? I would want to reset the week and start things out in my mind the right way. But now I think if I had to do it, knowing how calm I am on Sundays with regard to my work, I was thinking, okay, how would I do that as a stay-at-home mom? So a couple things. One, maybe the breakfast you make on Mondays is the easiest breakfast you make for the week. And then maybe you set the expectation with the kids that there's going to be quiet time or music time or read aloud time. Like just some sort of ritual for Monday morning that you actually look forward to. So I can see for me that I would have probably stacked all of my to-do things, like doing the laundry and right. I would just want to check off boxes because to me, I think winning the week would have meant starting off Monday, checking things off the list. And that may still be great for some of you. Like if you are on Sunday relaxed, thinking about doing that on Monday morning, then it's a great system. But if you're not, I'd be curious, what would it look like if you went into Monday with a little bit more space, a little bit more time? Maybe, I'm just making this up, but maybe, right, like you're going to put on classical music, all the kids get to sit with a book for an hour while you plan the week. And so just like me, not diving into work first thing with appointments and having other people tell me what to do on Monday, I start by going into my week slowly. Now, actually, I do my planning on Saturdays and Sundays. It's kind of a mix. And then I actually start doing admin things Monday morning because I know that's going to set me up for success. So for you, it might be, you know what sets me up for success? Catching up on the laundry and the dishes. It might be those things. But I just want you to ask yourself, what would Monday morning have to look like for you to be relaxed and present with your family on Sunday? I think that's a really interesting question. And we don't have to change our whole life and all of our routines and everything. And we don't have to be Stepford moms. But just this one thing, I want you to picture, like, what would it take? What would you have to know was happening in the first 4 hours of Monday for you to feel really calm and present with your family Sunday evening? I think just controlling that experience, between Sunday evening and Monday morning is very interesting. So I want you to think about that. If you're the peace center of your home, this is part of it. Your job is to really design your life to keep your stress levels down, because you keeping your stress levels down keeps everyone's stress levels down. So what would it look like? I think it's going to look different for all of us. But I think it's a really interesting question to ask. How can you set yourself up for success to win Monday? Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.